Alright, Johnny, you asked for some footage of the blizzard of 2013. Well, you got it, kid. It's getting late at night and the worst hasn't even come yet. But here's my lamppost. It's a nice lamppost, isn't it? I mean, it's all lit up, you know, like a lamppost or whatever. But anyway, I already shoveled my driveway once. Well, I didn't do it. My brother with the bad heart did it, but I pretended like I was going to help. However, kid, this is unbelievable. Look at this. The governor ordered everybody off the streets, except for me, because I got special privilege, kid, because I'm a cuckoo. Look at the wind. We have gale force winds, whoever gale is, whatever. But I'm out here in my underwear. But it's nutty, kid, it's nutty. Here's my house. There's my brother's room. I don't go in there much, it's kind of sticky. So, maybe if I'm not too drunk, I'll put some more footage on for you, kid, but it's freaking cold, I'm out of here.